Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove background noise and keyboard sounds in OBS. This is super useful if you want cleaner audio for your streams or recordings without those distracting typing sounds or background hum. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches, you'll want to direct your attention to the audio mixer section, which you'll typically find in the lower middle area of your screen. This is where all your audio sources are displayed and managed, giving you control over everything you hear in your recordings or streams. In the audio mixer, locate your microphone source. It's usually labeled as mic/aux, or it might show your specific microphone name depending on how you've set it up. Once you've found it, click the small icon beside it and select Properties from the menu that appears. This will open up a new window where you can verify and configure your microphone settings. Inside the Properties window, click the drop-down menu to make sure your correct audio device is selected. This ensures OBS is actually capturing audio from the right microphone. After confirming your selection, click OK at the bottom to save these settings and return to the main interface. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click the small icon beside your mic/aux or microphone name again, but this time select Filters from the menu. This opens the Audio Filters panel, which is your control center for improving audio quality. On the left side of this window, you'll see a plus button. Click it and select Noise Suppression from the list, then click OK. This filter specifically targets constant background noise like computer fans or air conditioning. Next, click the drop-down menu in the noise suppression settings and select Speaks. This is a highly effective noise reduction algorithm. Now, adjust the slider to the right until it reaches -18. This setting strikes the perfect balance between removing unwanted noise and keeping your voice natural and clear. We're not done yet though. Click the plus button again on the left side, and this time select Noise Gate, then click OK. A noise gate works differently from noise suppression. It essentially mutes your microphone when you're not speaking, which is perfect for eliminating keyboard sounds and mouse clicks between your words. Once you've added the noise gate, click Close at the bottom to exit the filters window. Now let's make sure everything is properly configured in your global settings. In the upper left corner of OBS, click File and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the settings window that opens, look at the left panel and click Audio. Navigate to the mic/auxiliary audio option, and right beside it, click the drop-down menu to verify you're using the same microphone you just configured. This ensures consistency across all your OBS settings. Finally, click Apply to save all your changes, then click OK to close the settings window. And there you have it. Your OBS is now configured to filter out background noise and keyboard sounds, giving you much cleaner audio quality for your content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.